It all started with something simple. A quiet morning at Peterborough Station, a 71-year-old woman pulled into the parking lot and followed the sign. Scan to pay.
I scanned the QR code to pay for parking.
But the website was fake, designed to mimic the real one.
The page looked official, so I entered my card details.
Shortly after, a scammer, posing as her bank, called her.
He knew my exact transactions. He sounded reassuring.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm calling from your bank's fraud department. We've blocked some suspicious transactions on your card. May I verify some information?
I thought he was helping me. I didn't know I was handing over my entire identity.
In under 20 minutes, the attacker had taken out a loan of £7,500, changed her address, set up new cards, and locked her out of her own banking.
It's been weeks. I still haven't gotten my credit card back. I've lost sleep and trust.
The financial loss was recoverable, but the emotional toll, much harder to reverse.
Scammers are evolving, but so can we.
Quishing doesn't look like danger, it feels like routine. Stop. Inspect the code. Check the URL. Trust your instincts. Here's how you can protect yourself from QR code scams.